Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix when one earbud isn't working on your headphones SOUNDCORE A25i. You have to start by put your headphones to the charging case, and after that remove it from the charging case and check it, maybe it fixed. And the second one, if it didn't help you, we should make a hard reset. To make a hard reset, put your headphones to the charging case and then press and hold both of touch buttons for at least 8 seconds, until you can see the LED light right here on your headphones, it starts flashing red 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Now we remove it from the charging case. And now click information icon or settings icon. Forget this device, forget device. If you have Android, click pair new device. And then we should see it at the device list. Now click on it. And we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!